Hidden deep within the dense, misty rainforests of the Democratic Republic of Congo lives one of the world's most mysterious creatures, the Okapi. At first glance, it looks like a strange mix between a zebra and an antelope. But surprisingly, its closest relative is the towering giraffe. The Okapi is often called the forest giraffe, a name that perfectly reflects its unusual mix of elegance, rarity, and mystery. For decades, this elusive animal remained almost mythical to the outside world. And even today, spotting one in the wild is an extraordinary experience. Okapis have a unique appearance that makes them instantly fascinating. Their bodies are covered in sleek, velvety, dark brown fur that feels like silk, while their legs are patterned with striking black and white zebra-like stripes. These bold markings aren't just for beauty. They serve as camouflage in the dappled light of the rainforest, helping mothers lead their calves through thick vegetation. Their large, upright ears can rotate independently, allowing them to detect the faintest sound of predators. But their most surprising feature is their long, blue tongue, which can grow up to 18 inches and is dexterous enough to strip leaves, pluck fruits, and even groom their own eyelids. Although okapis are much smaller than giraffes, they share many traits. Their elongated necks and flexible tongues are clear evolutionary links. An adult okapi stands about 5 feet tall at the shoulder and weighs between 440 and 770 pounds, making them much more compact than their towering cousins. This size is perfect for maneuvering through dense forests, where tall giraffes would struggle to move. Okapis are herbivores, spending most of their day browsing leaves, buds, ferns, fruits, and fungi. They are highly selective feeders, often choosing plants that other animals ignore, which makes them essential for maintaining the health of their rainforest ecosystem. What truly sets okapis apart is their solitary and secretive lifestyle. These creatures are shy and avoid humans whenever possible. Even local Congolese tribes revered them for centuries, calling them the African unicorn. And they were virtually unknown to Western scientists until 1901. Unlike herd animals, okapis live mostly alone, marking their territories with scent glands on their feet and rubbing their necks against trees to leave behind their scent. Males have small, skin-covered horns called ossicones, while females lack horns entirely, making it easy to distinguish between sexes. Okapi calves are equally fascinating. After birth, a calf will remain hidden in dense vegetation for up to 2 months, a survival strategy that reduces the risk of predation. During this time, the mother visits only occasionally to nurse her young, and the calf learns to stay completely still to avoid detection. Predators like leopards are their main threat in the wild, but today, the greatest danger to okapis comes from humans. Habitat destruction from logging and mining, combined with poaching, has pushed okapis to the brink of extinction. The International Union for Conservation of Nature (IUCN) currently lists them as endangered, with only a few thousand left in the wild. Efforts to protect okapis are ongoing, with conservation programs working tirelessly in the Congo's Okapi Wildlife Reserve, a UNESCO World Heritage Site. These initiatives aim to preserve their rainforest habitat, while also educating local communities about the importance of protecting this rare species. Despite these efforts, conservation is a challenge, because the okapi's remote and dangerous habitat makes scientific research difficult. Yet, every small step toward their protection helps ensure that this extraordinary creature does not vanish from our planet. The okapi is more than just a biological curiosity. It's a symbol of the Congo's wild, untamed forests. It reminds us that even in the modern world, there are still animals so rare and secretive that they can escape human attention for centuries. For wildlife enthusiasts, spotting an okapi is like encountering a living piece of ancient history, a creature that has evolved perfectly to thrive in a hidden world. Its quiet grace, striking patterns, and fascinating behaviors make it a true treasure of nature. In a time when so many species are disappearing, the okapi's survival is a beacon of hope for conservationists everywhere. Protecting this forest giraffe isn't just about saving a single species. It's about preserving the biodiversity of the Congo's rainforests, one of the most important ecosystems on Earth. By learning about creatures like the okapi, we connect with the wild places they call home, and are reminded of our responsibility to protect them. So next time you see this zebra-striped, giraffe-faced wonder, remember that nature still holds secrets waiting to be discovered. And the okapi is one of its most beautiful mysteries.